Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Ensure you have a recent backup and test restore capability so you can recover if needed. Next, identify the exact table and rows to delete using targeted select queries with where clauses. This shows the scope and prevents accidental loss. Also inspect foreign keys, triggers, and your user permissions because they affect whether deletes cascade or fail. Once done, stage a transaction or export the specific rows to a temp table for safer execution. You now execute the delete safely. Begin a transaction and acquire only necessary locks to avoid long blocking. Use a precise delete statement with where conditions, optional limit or batching, or a join to target related rows. This limits impact and keeps transactions short. Retrieve deleted rows with returning or output so you can verify effects and log changes. Make sure to test the statement on a copy or with a preceding select to confirm it affects only intended records before committing. You finish by verifying the deletion results and then commit the transaction. If anything looks wrong, roll back immediately to restore state. After commit, run index maintenance and update statistics to keep query performance healthy. If you discover accidental data loss, use the captured returning /output rows or restore from the tested backup. In some systems, you can replay logs to recover specific rows. One troubleshooting tip. If FK failures block deletion, temporarily disable cascading or delete child rows first, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.